Gever, schon hip spät bei Nacht. Wochen kommen raus und kaufen du. Schon hip spät noch Matze backen. Noch kleine verpeisig. Wie geht man ankaufen bei Serto? Der opent at 12 o'clock. Gever, aber kiek mal getroffen in front von Serto. Mr. Fader von Barrenpark.
Mr. Fader, Freumsbrieder.
Die bist ein Freumsbrieder von Barrenpark. So halt de Michael, hè? Die bist nicht ein Freumsbrieder, das ist ein Video.
Was gaan we discussen?
Serto.
No, ich woon dus door, ik ben een Lakewood.
Dat was ook een Lakewood.
That's it.
Alle Faders haben ook een Lakewood.
Als Ahmad als Abrieder, was meinst du dit, man?
Hoe is dat? Koopt de hazen voor alle geveren?
He's about doing that.
Let's go. Zoekst voor alle geld van alle video's. Ik heb hem verkocht van 3 hazen.
That's it.
Zoekst terug aan potential. Oké, eindelijk met de Faders. Laat maar aan gaan doen, Serto. Yalla. Laat maar aan checken doen. Spät. Wow, laat me zien wat ze maken op een grill. Oeh, even skim doen, krachtig. Something cooking. Yeah? Something good coming over there. Let me see what's cooked. Strawberry Isaac's. What Strawberry Isaac's gonna buy for supper here? What are you buying for supper tonight? I'll get the chicken soup over there. Take care, Rabbi Isaacs. Make something good. Gevre, wow. Kijk, ik is spät vannacht doen. Ik kan gaan doen. Supper doen. Kom met jamtiv. Kijk wat we graag te doen doen. Jamtiv, alle jamtiv cakes. Wow. Already, alle salads. Kushla paisig, aber kick. No way. Kick weer do. Charlie!
You're not serious.
What are you doing here now this hour?
Special at night, before closing like this. No, I don't meet anybody.
So that came also late at night. You're sitting over here. What's this calculator?
Okay.
What's going to for 1 minute, Charlie? What was it? Eis eller Yomtiv? I'm it. Du hast Toys für Shabbos, hast Tanzes, hast... What's it is?
This is something.
This is something? Okay, let me go to my mic. Give me a second cut. Action, Charlie. Go for it.
So obviously it was Bashir that we met here tonight. Even though I wanted to come here when no one is here, but it's Bashir because people should find out what Mayor Gold does. Mayor Gold here from Serto is not only a supermarket, he's actually a supermarket for the community. What do I mean? One of my organizations is called Eizer Leontif. Eizer Leontif is an organization that we give out vouchers. It's better than vouchers. We open up accounts for families never struggling with illnesses.
Wow.
We open up accounts and we put onto everyone's account, let's say $1,000.
What are you talking about? So you put it on the account and the register, the guy comes in, he puts his phone number in and it's on the account money.
I have here a list over here of close to 40 families that we're gonna give to each family, everyone different, but $1,000, some $1,800 to make Paisach.
What's that?
Mayor, it's already the third time we're doing it over here. Mayor, actually, I don't want to say the amount, but not one supermarket in Borough Park was ready to meet what he's giving me.
Wow.
He adds a crazy percentage. Now, what's the mile over here?
No.
Over here, they give the families service like nowhere else.
Like Serto gives.
Yeah. Look at the aisles.
Gorgeous.
You can have
Charlie,
families.
let's not tell them what time it is now. It's spät by nacht. But come here at 2 in the afternoon. That has a mile of Serto. Even 2 in the afternoon when it's full, there's room. We can walk. It's just stepping on top of each other.
Not only that, you have families that are coming, let's say, with wheelchairs, oxygen tanks.
Never.
There's room for everything.
Du Platz, wide aisles. At Chove. Wow, Charlie, unreal.
So that's what I want to bring out. Let's support those who support Choli Yisroel. Mayor, this Mayor Gold, which is Serto, he supports Choli Yisroel. This is besides that throughout the whole year, he gives me for every Lesonic package, every Lesonic package gets a fruit platter. Every single package gets a fruit platter. But besides that, now for Eizel Yontif, he gives an unbelievable percentage to be able to give so much more for the families.
Wow, so support Serto, you're supporting Choli Yisroel.
Exactly. Why shop somewhere else where we could shop at Serto and support those who support Choli Yisroel?
Wow, unbelievable. Such a coveted way. He puts on the accounts. So the Choli doesn't have to, say it. Coupons.
Nothing. They come in, they shop like a king. You have no idea. They love it. I got such good feedback last Yontif. It's unbelievable. Again, I wish I could do much more. If only I could get...
$50,000 Sholi's a sach.
Yeah, but so many more families that want.
So if the only ones, they could call you up and then...
Yes.
Okay.
I have a quick pay address. I have a link, credit
Okay, we're
card.
gonna put the
whatever
link
they
on
want.
the afterwards on
It's
the WhatsApp.
motivating. Every penny that comes in goes straight there.
Okay.
Like I said, I try to give every family $1,000. People, Baruch Hashem, today, I got, in the last few hours, I got already 12 family sponsored, 14 family sponsored.
Wow.
Tonight, the Hashem, I hope to be putting on to about 25 families already tonight.
Kol hakavod, Sholi.
It's almost Yom Tif, and it'll be a mordig azach.
Wow. So Kevin, check in with Sholi. I'm gonna put his phone number on the screen. WhatsApp him, call him, send him a quick pay. I'm sure you already have a lot of guys, but you need a lot more guys to support. Let's help Sholi be mechazik Kol Yisrael. Let's help Sholi continue doing what he's doing. Sholi only knows what you do. The only just has to now empty out their pockets and give you to help continue supporting Kol Yisrael.
It's mordig. It's more that there was so much shit that we met tonight.
Start off the calendar, with the calculator, with the booklets,
Everything.
with
I have a whole book full.
Ik wil dus wazen, kan nummers kan nemen. Sholi, ik ga ze aufpicken mijn supper. Had me a lechtige, veilige simplicante. Keep on doing what you're doing. Sholi, see you tomorrow, Bagel Hole. Let's go back, see if our supper is ready over there.